Welcome. This is Professor McQuade. I'm going to have to show you in a couple different ways. This is Introduction to Physical Fitness and Wellness, 8-week one during the summer of 2019. And I just want to kind of guide you through your D2L to get you connected here. And right now I'm in the student view, which should make it easy for you to understand. But at one point I'm going to have to go into my view because I haven't taken the syllabus quiz. So you'll see there's a welcome announcement out here, and you have announcements, and that's what opens up directly when you open up the course. If an announcement gets revised, you will get notification. This little bell up here in the corner, this update alerts, you can go into there and configure that so that you get alerts directly to your phone or via email. The other area that's going to be important to you is clicking onto content. When you get into content, the first thing you're going to do, it looks like there's nothing going on here, doesn't it? But there's lots going on here. So basically, you have to get started, and you have to take your syllabus quiz, okay? You can print out that syllabus. You can have it on another device. I don't care. You can take the syllabus quiz as many times as you need to, but you do need 90% in order to enter into the course. The other thing that's going to be important is that you connect with McGraw-Hill eConnect directly through the D2L for this course. I'm going to have to now switch out of student view to kind of give you a look at the course modules. So again, it's still going to be under content. You just don't have course management because you're not in charge of the course. So you'll see once you take your syllabus quiz and get 90%, course modules will show up for you. And in the course modules, you're going to see there's a McGraw-Hill Connect section where you can connect your D2L and McGraw-Hill eConnect. And there's information, there's a module for the fitness assessment, which is going to come up right away in the course, so you might want to take a look at that module. And if you're coming in to see me to do the fitness assessment, you'll see there's an announcement, and I give you two opportunities. If you come in to see me, then make sure you've printed some of these forms out that you'll need, okay? The other thing to take a look at is your written paper module. You're going to be required to write a paper. It's a five-paragraph essay, and if you take a look at what you're expected to write now in the beginning of the semester, you can kind of gather that information up as we move along in the course. What you'll see is we got 8 weeks in our course, and each week has a checklist. So you click onto week 1, and there is a checklist for week 1. Click onto your checklist, and then just move along. Your checklist will connect you to each of the links in the course, moving along, okay? So just check them off as you go along. Now, a few of them will be things that maybe you're not going to participate in, and that's fine. I have a few extra credits, but for those, I'm giving you enough time to get them done, so I'm just notifying you of that, okay? Another area which will be important, but it is directly connected into your checklist, is here under collaboration. Under collaboration, you have a discussion board. Okay, there are basically two lists in the discussion. One is a help list and one is a chapter, the chapter discussions, okay? So under the help list, there's a course cafe. If you're having any issues in the class itself and content or anything, you can go into the course cafe here. Maybe one of your classmates will be able to help you. So, go back and check in periodically. Maybe you can help somebody out. And then also there's technology issues discussion board. For this, maybe one of your classmates will be able to help you out. Remember, there's one of me and there's 30 of you. So maybe there's somebody who can help. Otherwise, there's information here listed for you to contact Lone Star Service Portal. And so if you need help there, go there. All right? And then you'll get into your chapter discussions. It's important. Sometimes you have 1 to 2 discussion boards a week because we're moving along at a clip. Remember, this is a 16-week course offered in 8 weeks, so we got to move it along. It's important. You're going to have to post your initial response to the discussion by Sunday, and then by Wednesday you have to have responded, so give yourself enough time. And there might be, I think one of them is earlier, like your very first discussion board. I'm asking you to respond by I think I'm going to have, no, yeah, in your, this one, here it is. And you're getting to know each other, that's under the help. That one I'm asking you to respond by the 26th of May, okay? So get that one done quick so that we get to know each other, okay? That's a quick jump into one. All right, so that's under collaboration. The other area that will be important to you is under assignments. Go to course activities, go to assignments, and then you're going to see your written paper, your food log, okay, and your pre and post assessment. And then there's a few extra credit, 5-point extra credits. If you'd like to participate in those, you might want to take a look at them now. This notes is in case you have any notes that you need to leave for me, any special considerations that you need in the course. This is the place where you could put them for me. When you click on your written paper or your pre or post assessment, you're going to come right up to the rubric for each of those. If I do it now, it's not going to come up that way, so that's okay. But your rubrics are there, so that's under course activities, assignments. Attendance is irrelevant. The only thing that you will do your quizzes is for your final exam. That's where you're going to locate your final exam. Okay, so that's all your other quizzes are done through McGraw-Hill. So you got your syllabus quiz here and your final exam, and those are under quizzes. All right. Under content, let's just go back there. Under content, for example, week 1. Here's your checklist, week 1. And you've done all that, you've done all that, you've done all that, and then you're going to get into the quiz. This quiz here, you click onto it, it's going to take you out to McGraw-Hill. All right? Another place that you might be interested in is your grades, so keeping up with your grades here. So you go into the grade list. Okay, but I'm not going to pull that up because I've got students' names on that. But that's where you would go for grades. Okay? You don't have this BTAC support, and you don't have the course management. You just have these right in here. Okay? Again, go in here and get your notifications set up. Okay? Go in here. Alrighty. I hope this video helps you get started. I'm available. I'm here in Houston and often up on Lone Star campus. I'm not too far away if you need me. So drop me an email. And I look forward to getting to know you guys.